Hello children, today we are going to revise the poem Chivi, which means to nag. The poem Chivi has been composed by the poet Michael Rosen. The present poem deals with the feelings of the poet like other small kids who feel irritated by their elders who always instruct them to do or not to do. The grown ups always say things like speak up, don't stare, don't point, don't pick your nose, sit up, say please, less noise, etc. The poet leaves a question to elders: why can't they keep their suggestions to themselves? The key points of this poem are: grown ups have a habit of always instructing the child. They ask him to do something or not to do something else. Actually, they want to teach child good manners. They do so mostly to teach children good manners. Yet the truth is that most children don't like that elders should give them instructions. Now let us revise the poem stanza wise. Grown up says things like speak up, don't talk with your mouth full, don't stare, don't point, don't pick your nose. Grown ups are often seen as instructing or guiding. These instructions are being issued by the adults to the younger ones. Speak up and don't talk while your mouth is full of food. When you're eating, you should not talk. Are the few examples. Why do grown ups says speak up? Grown ups say speak up to as they want the child to speak or to express himself. When a child is stopped talking, a child is stopped from talking with his mouth full. When the child is eating anything, then the elders guide him not to talk. What other bad habits often irritate elders? Elders snub when child is staring, pointing at somebody, or while interfering or picking up nose. What do you think is the purpose of elders behind these scolding? The purpose of elders only to inculcate good habits in the younger generation. Sit up, say please, less noise, shut the door behind you, don't drag your feet. Haven't you got a hanky? Take your hands out of your pockets. The elders exhibit dominance by hinting in everything. Each and every activity of the young child is administered and put under the vigilance of the grown ups. Why do the adult find dragging feet annoying? Dragging of feet is a game for a child, but the clattering sound irritates the elders. It shows bad manners. What does saying please appeal? These attributes appeal for its humility. That younger children must use please when they are asking for any help or when they are making any request. Take your hands out of your pockets. Keeping hands in pocket while talking is considered as unruly. That's why elders always guide the younger ones to keep hands out of their pockets. What is a hanky? Hanky is a handkerchief. Pull your socks up, stand up straight, say thank you, don't interrupt. No one thinks you are funny. Take your elbows off the table. Can't you make your own mind up about anything? However, the adults around him continue to reprimand him, continuously giving them instructions. The child is unable to decide anything for himself. It's quite ironical, as the entire childhood of this child was spent blindly following the instructions, as elders are always guiding the children. What is pull your socks up? It is a preparation and getting ready for future. Why standing up straight is important. It is to stand in proper posture rather than leaning against anything. If we keep our backbone straight, we have a good posture and good health. What does no one thinks funny mean? The child might be doing something which is funny for him, but the elders feel it is a stupid behavior. Explain, make your own mind. The elders insist the growing up child to take firm decision at later stage in life, to take correct decision in later stage of life. Why are the instructions given? The instructions are given to the children to teach them, or they should learn good manners. Who have the habit of always instructing the child? Grown ups or elders or parents or teachers are always in the habit to instruct the child. How far are the instructions liked by the children? They are not liked by most of the children. Most of the children are not like this, that they should be given instruction. Do you have a hanky? Yes, I am having a hanky. It is good manner to keep your hand inside the pocket. No, it is not a good manner to keep hand inside the pocket. Do you think the adults should stop instruction, stop giving instruction to the child? No, the adults must instruct the children, but they should do so in a pleased way. But they should instruct the child in a pleasing manner so that young ones don't feel annoyed. I hope the poem is clear to you all. Thank you.